Alright, now we are going to understand here that the place values of some bigger numbers with the decimal also, and with the like with the fraction part. All right. Now, if you're going to have, for example, let's consider this example here. If you have 25 whole and 3/10, and you have to put these in the place value chart. All right. So first of all, we are going to make a place value chart here. Okay, the first number over here we are going to start with over here is 100, tens, ones, then decimal point, then you have tenth. All right, tenth you're going to represent with a small t. All right, not a bigger one is going to represent a tens, and the small t represent tenth. All right. Now over here you're going to place all of these in the place value chart. Now over here we don't have any hundreds value, so we are not going to write anything in the hundreds column. All right. Now over here you can see that this in 25, 2 stands for tens and 5 stands for ones. So you're going to write 2 in the column of tens and 5 in the column of ones. Then you have a decimal value, and 3/10 you're going to write in the column of tenth. It is 3/10. So you're going to write it here as 3/10. All right. Now let's see another example here. It's suppose I write here 125 and 3/10. So for this, now you're going to write this in there is 100. The 1 stands for 100, 2 stands for tens, and 5 stands for 1. So you're going to write down in the 100 column, you can write down 1. All right, since there is 100 only. If I'm giving you another example here for this, so it will be more clear to you. For example, you have 563 whole and 7/10. All right. So over here, if you see the place values of each number, 5, it is 563. So 500, 5 is 100, 60 it means it is 6 tens, and 63 means it is 3 ones. Right. So we can write down in the column here, it is 500. So in the 100 column we will write down 5, and then it is 6 tens. So in the tens column we will write down 6, and there is 3 ones. So in the column of ones we are going to write down 3. Then decimal point, because now then we have this value 7/10. So in the 10th column we are going to write down how many tenth we have. We have 7/10. So we can write down here 7 in the column of 10th. All right. So when we have bigger numbers, like bigger whole numbers, so we can place them in the place value chart like this.